Welcome to the first edition of the Friday 5 o'clock free crack giveaway volume 2. Hopefully all y'all fiends is tuning in and liking this shit. Welcome to Crack Cough, motherfucker. Crack Cough, blast off, I'm like a NASA hacksaw. I'm out of this world, deadly, been known for blowing hats off. The music's infectious like the T-virus when it's spreading, shutting down your system till all your nerve endings dead and left a zombie with a thirst for music that has brains. Every metaphor and a simile's like a bite through the veins. It nourishes, it strengthens, keeps you coming back for more. With a hunger for blood and guts and a passionate love for gore. I'm killing hotties, doing Pilates, keeping their dead bodies. And every year I'm making a list of Santa's most naughties. There's a new drug on the streets and it's called lyrical crack. Injected in your eardrums, watch your eyes roll back. It's so addictive, we got the fiends begging and pleading. They want the rhyme with no reason. I'm conceited because they need it. So here's the kickoff like the Super Bowl. It got your attention, now watch us run over haters. Drag them stuck in the suspension.
I'm feeling that Adderall dripping deep in the back of my throat. I pack and I told the things that'll blow out the back of a hoe. Cause my heart is cold and it's as dark as the blackest of crows. And I made you a fiend for the music, so I'll pack the crack in the bow and let you hit it. And once you do, you gotta admit it. You're addicted to our sickness like a junkie with the dope, but no money for syringes. The hinges of the frame is what the door's jumping off of. It's getting out of our way cause it knows nothing on the planet could stop us. A lot of fiends would happily kill to get a hit of this, but can't go 10 minutes without another one because they're already missing this. We're number one in the world for corruption and all innocent kids. Now come with me in narcotics to see how far this addiction gets. But it ain't addiction or dependence, it's our form of slavery. That's why you get on your knees every night before you pray to me. I lure you in with the lyrics and now there is no escaping me. Cause the creeps are the new hottest drug coming out of the No Town Bakery.
Welcome to the first edition of the Friday.